Hi there, students. When the chips are down, the chips are down. Okay, at a time of crisis, when things get really difficult, in a difficult moment. So I knew I could rely on you when the chips were down. Yeah, I knew that if I had a difficult situation, I could rely on you. He always remains very level-headed and calm when the chips are down, when things are getting difficult, when there's something big at stake. Yeah? So when the chips are down, you really know who your friends are. Yeah? So it's when times are hard and difficult. Yeah? Don't panic. When the chips are down, stay cool and clear-headed and you will find a solution to it. Okay, so when the pressure is on, when the situation is critical, when the situation is urgent. So, the tennis player was 2 sets down and he started the third set. But then when the chips were down, he started to play really well and he ended up winning the match. Maybe when the chips are down, you have to make difficult decisions. Yeah, so this is when a situation has become particularly difficult. Yeah, or it's very difficult to recover from. So a person with a lot of character is very clear from how they act when the chips are down. Yeah. So when the bank refused to lend the company any more money, that was the moment where the chips were down. Okay, in these chips, this is talking about, I think, poker, where there are two versions of how this idea comes about. In my opinion, it's when there are a lot of chips in the center of the table. Yeah, when there's a large amount at stake. Yeah, and you could lose, you've got a lot of money in that and you could lose it. But also I've heard that when your chips, the number of chips that you actually have are very few and you're liable to lose those as well. Yeah. Okay, so when the chips are down, when the situation is critical. Yeah, when the chips are down, kids go and ask for help from their parents. Yeah, I knew you'd come and help me when the chips were down because you're just such a good person. There's no need to panic. Yeah, I'm always at my best when the chips are down. Yeah, when you have to act. Yeah, my team was 1-0 down with 2 minutes to go in the match and the chips were really down, but suddenly my team played fantastically and they scored 2 very quick goals. So when the chips are down, you know that they have got character. They're so that when they're in a difficult situation, when things are not good. Yeah, that's what true friends will stay by you when the chips are down, when things are not very good. Yeah. So it's good to be calm, cool-headed, and act calmly when the chips are down. Yeah. So it's interesting to see who will stand up and be counted when the chips are down. Okay, so formality. This is an informal phrase. I think I'd give it a 3.5 in formality. Use it in an informal or semi-formal conversation. In a semi-formal writing, maybe just about, and certainly not in a very formal situation. And as I said, the chips refer to these round poker chips that they play with, or the chips at a casino. So it's talking about gambling. So the chips are on the table, they've been staked, and you could win or lose, and that's when the chips are down. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now, when the chips are down.